Need heavy-duty performance? The SIMPSON ALH4240 is built for the toughest jobs at 4,200 psi, perfect for demanding tasks and professionals alike. When you need serious power, the SIMPSON ALH4240 delivers. This gas-powered pressure washer is engineered for heavy-duty cleaning, capable of blasting through even the most stubborn grime with 4,200 psi and an impressive flow rate of 4 gallons per minute. If you're tackling intense jobs like deck restoration, graffiti removal, or prepping for paint, this machine is designed to outperform the competition. The heart of this powerhouse is the 389cc Honda GX 390 OHV engine. Known for reliability and brute force, this engine ensures consistent, long-lasting power for professional-grade tasks. Combined with a CAT triplex pump, the ALH4240 maximizes efficiency by delivering a steady and powerful water stream that cuts through dirt, mildew, and surface contaminants like nothing else in its class. Whether you're stripping tough concrete stains or giving a soft wash to delicate surfaces, versatility is built right in. The Dial N Wash adjustable pressure regulator allows you to fine-tune the pressure output, making this machine adaptable for everything from blasting patios and driveways to gently rinsing off vehicles. You get the control needed for every surface without sacrificing power. Let's talk about mobility. Weighing in at 133 pounds, the ALH4240 might sound hefty, but its aluminum frame makes it surprisingly easy to maneuver. This corrosion-resistant frame, paired with 13-inch pneumatic wheels, means you can move across rough terrain or tricky outdoor areas without a hitch. The wheelbarrow-style design ensures stability, so you're not wrestling with the machine during use. It just keeps up with you. And don't worry about storage or setup. The 50-foot high-pressure hose ensures you've got range, and the onboard storage for nozzles and accessories keeps everything organized. 5 quick-connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and a soap nozzle let you switch from pinpoint cleaning to broad, gentle rinsing in seconds. This kind of versatility saves you time and makes tough jobs feel manageable. Safety is key, and the ALH4240 covers that with low oil protection, a trigger lock, and a thermal relief valve to keep the pump in top shape. No overheating, no accidental starts, just reliable and safe operation. As for detergent, a siphon hose allows you to pull in soap when needed, keeping it simple and efficient. No unnecessary soap tank. Just plug and clean. Everything about this washer is streamlined for performance. With 16,800 cleaning units, this machine easily stands out in its class. For those who need the highest level of cleaning power in a professional environment, the SIMPSON ALH4240 gives you unmatched force and adaptability. For those who value top-tier engineering, the best Karcher pressure washer, crafted with German precision, might be your next go-to. It's ready to play on the screen now.